If you're writing your first business plan and thinking, is this actually professional or am I missing something obvious? This is Plan Review in LivePlan. Most people don't have an MBA. They've never written a business plan before. And the hardest part isn't typing. It's the fear that your plan sounds amateur or won't hold up to lender expectations. Plan Review gives you a candid assessment through a funder's lens, so you know what's strong and what still needs work. No second guessing, just clarity. Inside your plan, you click Plan Review. LivePlan scores every major section the way a lender or funder would and gives direct feedback on what reads as credible, complete, and professional. It flags the things first-time plan writers usually struggle with, like market size that feels too vague, too optimistic, or unsupported. Financials that don't line up, don't explain assumptions, or look unrealistic. Competitive positioning that doesn't clearly answer why you. And it doesn't just tell you what's wrong, it gives you specific recommendations to strengthen those weak spots. This isn't generic advice, it's tied to your plan. It points to the exact sections that need improvement. It shows you what's missing or what's unclear, and it helps you fix it right where you wrote it. So you're not rewriting from scratch, you're tightening what matters. What you get is a clear readiness check, section by section scores, a plain English explanation of what's lender ready versus what's not, a prioritized list of changes to make your plan more professional. It's like having a funder review your work without the stress. Plan Review is built for first-time business plan writers who want confidence that their plan is solid. Before anyone else reads it, you'll know exactly where you stand and what to improve.